Art Factory for Kids. Today, we are going to draw and color a house. Let's get started. Please try to draw with me and make your own beautiful drawing. It's easy to draw a house like this. At first, I'll draw the roof. Now, I'm drawing 2 lines for the house. These are the stairs. There is a family with 2 children living here. I'm drawing the door like this. There are 2 windows. Now, I'll draw the fence. There is a tree behind the fence. Look, it's an apple tree. In the fall, the family harvests apples to make apple pie and apple juice. I'll draw 2 birds. They have a nest under the roof. Finally, I'm drawing 2 clouds. Now, I use these black marker to make the drawing more visible. Let's start to color and have some fun. I'll use these colors. Red, orange, yellow, red and blue for the window. Green and purple. Pink and brown for the door. Two different blue colors for the stairs. Yellow. brown, red, green, pink, orange, red and blue for the fence. Brown, green, pink, red, Now, I'm going to color the sky with blue. Green. Our house drawing is almost ready. I love it! See you in the next video!